Hi Ray, I've got another glitch that will need to be looked at. So what I've done, I've cleared the cache, which would clear all user preferences from markers. You'll notice that like this one and this one shouldn't even have any color on them. They're light grey markers. So the way that has happened is I've logged in, I've made some user preferences in the map, and then I've logged out, and I can see some color changes here that shouldn't be there. So you can stop the video now if you like, and I'll continue the video now and try and recreate this if you want to see what exactly I do. But that's the result, and I'll go through and do it now. So I'll clear the cache and refresh. So I've got they're the markers that should be the only ones. Okay, now I'll just well, not that one. Try and make a few user preferences changes. So switch the color of that one. Maybe something like that. Oh, this one's only one marker destination. Oops. Stop. Switch the color. Okay, so now I'll log out. Yeah, so you can see that they're just at random changing color. So when I make user preferences, it's coming back to the demo page. So that's essentially it. Let me know if you need further explanation. Yeah, great. Thanks. Cheers, Ray.